Hello guys, welcome to another new video. Okay, so today we're going to be doing this layer 0 airdrop. Okay, so right here, this is the checklist that we need to go through to make sure we are ready for the airdrop. It's going to be massive. Okay, so right now the reason why I'm actually doing this is because this is the first crypto project that PayPal has actually been involved in. So layer 0 is affiliated right now with PayPal to be doing all of this, and we know that PayPal is one of the biggest platforms right here to transfer funds and all of that. Okay, so we know that PayPal is not a joke. For them to be affiliated with layer 0 means that it's going to be massive. So we're going to be doing this layer 0, and right here this is the checklist. And the first thing I want to do, I'm going to leave all of the links in the description below, and make sure you do check that out. But before we continue, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are new. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and make sure you like this video and drop your comments down below if you have any gray areas that you want me to clear out. Okay, so the first thing you want to go over to Stargate.finance. Okay, so like this is the biggest one of the other biggest affiliates that they have. Okay, right now we're going to go to Stargate. Okay, and we're going to be doing some things right here. We're going to be doing some transfers. You're going to if you want, you can stick and pull, or then just follow my video. Okay, so make sure you connect your wallet. Okay, then we want to move some of our tokens. Okay, we just have to bridge or transfer some coins from the Ethereum network to any other network you want. It could be from the Ethereum to Binance, anyone you want. Okay, so you choose your coin. If you have any coin there, just choose it, and then you're just gonna swap right here, and then make sure you do all swap and check out, make sure you have some Ethereum gas fees for this transfer right here. After you have done this transfer, okay, then you can go to pool, and then you can stake some assets, some coins in the pool. If you want to, you can check over here. You can see several pools. You have USDC or USDT on the Ethereum or Avalanche or BNB chain. Okay, you can choose that one and then create a pool, but the transfer right here is the most important. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is you can click over to stake. Okay, we want to stake some of our some STG tokens. Okay, so we have to go to Binance or any exchange right now to go to and buy some STG tokens. If you go over to CoinMarketCap.com, as you can see the Stargate Finance, this is the coin that we want to buy because we want to stake them, then so that we can get a different coin that we can use for our governors to vote. Okay, so right now we're selling at for 48 cents. Okay, so this, if you scroll down here, you can click on market to know where it is selling. You can know which DEX or SEX to buy from. Okay, so you can buy it from Binance, Huobi Global, Coinbase, KuCoin, so many platforms you can buy from. So once you have bought that, then you can come over to this place and send some of the STG to your MetaMask. Okay, then we can stake some of the coins. So if you have some STG, now we can come over here so that you stake and then get some governance tokens. Okay, so you can see right now I already have some staking. I already have some coins staked right here. So you can see I staked 6 of the coins STG, and then I got 0.24 VESTG. So this VESTG is what is your voting power that you have. So the reason why we're staking this is to have some voting power, and which gives us the ability to vote. And when we vote, we have an opportunity to get the airdrop right now. So once you have staked your coin, okay, the STG that you sent over here, just click on vote on snapshot. Okay, so we need to vote here. So you can see right here it is closed. As you can see, this is the 17th bill that they have passed for voting. Okay, so I was unable to get into this, so I already have some STG available, or VSTG rather, for when another proposal is uploaded for voting. Okay, so then I can have an opportunity to vote, and that is one of the most important things that we need to do here. Make sure you vote. Okay, so as you can see, it is closed. So once you stake some STG, it's going to get you some VESTG. As you can see, you can lock them for a period of time that you want, wherever you want. Okay, so after you have done that, and then you just wait for it, then you can actually follow them, join them, for maybe they can allow you for when another proposal is opened up. Okay, so now that we have done that, we have done a swap on Stargate, we have gone over to the snapshot area, and then we have to do some demo. Okay, this is the USDC layer 0. This is on testnet. Okay, this one doesn't actually require you to use any form of money. Okay, so this is the link right here. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you here. So we'll have to connect our wallet. Okay, so after you connect your wallet, you're going to have to claim some faucet USDC, some faucet ETH and for some faucet AVAX. Okay, so you need to have enough AVAX to be able to do that. After you have done that, you put in your how much you're gonna get. So you're gonna get some USDC. If you have USDC, it's gonna show up here. Okay, so then you're gonna swap from the Fuji. You can decide from the Fuji or from the Gully down to your Fuji, whichever you want. Okay, so after you have done that, if you have enough gas, you can click on this gray area is gonna show on to, it's gonna be blue. Okay, then you know that you have all of the fees that you have to pay to make this thing go through. Okay, so after you have done that, that's just one thing to do. All you have to do here is bridge, nothing else. So once you have done that, make sure you do that at least maybe daily or once in 2 days. So after you have done that, we want to go over to bridge.liquidswap.com. okay, this right here is not testnet, this is actual money. Okay, so we are going to have to get some Aptos. Okay, so you can use the bridge function. Okay, so you can bridge from the Ethereum down to to Aptos, or you can from Aptos down to Ethereum. So you connect your MetaMask and your Aptos. Okay, so for this you're going to need a Pontem wallet. Pontem, or you can have a Pontem. Right now, as you can see, I have some Pontem coins right here. This is my Pontem wallet, or you can use the Martian. This is on the Aptos network. We're going to be using the Aptos network and the MetaMask the wallets together side by side. As you can see right here, my MetaMask is connected and my Aptos my Pontem wallet is connected. So you can connect your MetaMask, connect your Aptos, and then select your coins, whatever coin that you have in your MetaMask. You can bridge it down to the Aptos network. Okay, so you can choose that. After you've done that, if you have enough native for gas, and then you can click on approve, and then you would have done the bridge also. So the next thing you want to do after you have done the bridge is to move over to the swap section. Okay, so you can swap some of your tokens, and then you can create liquidity pools and all of that. This is just all pretty simple if you just look through it. Okay, so after you have done that, then you are eligible for the airdrop. So we're just gonna have to do this maybe once in 2 days, do this whole procedure again once in 2 days, because the more volume that you have, the more money that you have to do these bridges, to do all these swaps, okay, on the main net. Actually, the more chances that you have got to make this airdrop. Okay, that is all that I have for you today. If you have any questions, feel free to tell me down in the description below, and I'm going to see you next time, guys. Bye.